Do you like chasing ducks with RC cars? I sure do. There's something about zipping around after those pesky birds that just gets my heart pumping. Plus, it's a great way to get some exercise. After all, you have to run after the ducks if you want to catch them. If you've never tried chasing ducks with an RC car, I highly recommend it. It's a lot of fun and it's a great way to get some exercise. Who knows, you might even end up catching a few ducks.